Adoption of electric vehicles is accelerating rapidly. Batteries for EVs need fast charging and higher current. Welding or connection defects in large current power lines can cause overheating and fire. One way to inspect the welding quality is by measuring the resistance of the welding spot. It is better to do the inspection right after the welding to increase productivity in the manufacturing line, but the effects of heat make accurate measurement impossible. As you know, resistance is a temperature-sensitive parameter. To address such issues, Hioki's welding resistance meter, the RM3546, has the AOVC feature. The AOVC function compensates for fluctuations in resistance values caused by temperature variations. This function corrects for errors caused by the thermal electromotive force, which can be done in real time based on the change in the measured value. This capability enables stable measurement of resistance values in batteries and motors immediately after welding, even when temperatures vary significantly. Surprisingly, the compensation process can be done by resistance measurement alone, without the use of a temperature sensor. The cooling time after the welding is not needed, which helps to improve the manufacturing productivity. The welding quality can be inspected by resistance measurement. Hioki provides solutions for accurate, safe, and efficient measurement of electrical testing in the welding process.